So this is our next chapter, pair of straight lines. So we have 7 marks questions in this chapter. So the first question is, find the values of k if the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the curve. So this is the key word of our problem. Okay, point of intersection of the curve to the pair of straight line is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 equals 0, and the line is x plus 2y equals k are mutually perpendicular. Okay, so we have to find the value of k. Given solution, given equation, 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 equals 0. Given line is x plus 2y equals k. So this k should become 1. So we should divide the equation by k. Dividing by k on both sides. So it is x by 2y by k is equal to k by k. So this cancels. Therefore it is x plus 2y by k equals 1. Okay. So this value is very important in this question. These sums are called as homogenizing questions. Okay, so in this problem, for the x term we should do into 1. Okay, x term we should multiply into 1, and y term also we should multiply into 1, and the constant number should be multiplied by 1 square. You should remember this rule. Okay, so our equation is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x minus y minus 1 equals 0. So we are having here, this is the x term, y term and the constant. So we should write the same, and for the x term we should multiply into 1 minus y term into 1 and the constant into 1 square. Now substitute this one value in the equation. So it is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x into x plus 2y by k minus y into x plus 2y by k minus 1 into x plus 2y by k whole square is equal to 0. Now multiplying this 2x inside and this y, and here we have to apply the formula of a plus b whole squares. So it is 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 2x into x is 2x square, 2 2's are 4xy by k minus x into y, xy plus into minus is minus. Okay, multiply later the negative term. So y into y is y square, 2y square by k minus 1, a plus b whole square. So it is x square plus 2y whole square is 4y whole square plus 2ab is 2 to the 4xy by k squares is equals to 0. Now we have the LCM as k square. Okay, so here we should multiply with 1k, and here also we should multiply with a k, and this whole terms into k square. So it is k square into 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus k into 2x square plus 4xy minus k into xy plus 2y square minus 1 into x square plus 4y square plus 4xy. This k square into 0 is 0. So we'll be left out with this. Multiplying k square inside, so it is 2k square x square minus 2k xy k square xy plus 3k square y square plus k inside, so it is 2k x square plus 4k xy, and here minus kxy, plus into minus is minus 2ky square, and here it is minus x square minus 4y square minus 4xy equals to 0. Now x square taking common, okay, so we should write the terms, coefficients of all the x square terms. So here it is x square and x square, writing the coefficient because we are taking that x square common. So it is 2k square and it is plus 2k, and here it is minus 1. Similarly, taking xy common, so here it is minus 2k square and plus 4k minus k, and here minus 4. Next, taking y square common, so it is 3k square minus 2k and minus 4 equals 0. Now in a question it is given as mutually perpendicular, right? So in order to get perpendicular, when the lines are perpendicular, the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. So these are the coefficient of x and this is the coefficient of y. So it is 2k square plus 2k minus 1 plus 3k square minus 2k minus 4 equals 0. So their plus and minus terms gets cancelled. 2k square plus 3k square is 5k square, and minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 equals 0. So this can be written as 5k square is equals to 5. 5 1 gets cancelled, so it is k square equal to 1. Square goes there, so it is k is equals to root of 1. So one root is 1 only, so it is k is equal to plus or minus 1. So the next question is, find the angle between the lines joining the origin of the point of intersection of the curve x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0, and the line 3x minus y plus 1. So here also the keyword is point of intersection of the curve. So this is the homogenizing question. So from the line we'll get the value of 1 and we'll substitute in the x, y and the constant terms, right? Solution: given line is 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Getting the value of 1 from here, so transposing these two terms to that side, so 1 is equal to minus 3x plus y. So writing the positive term first, so it is y minus 3x. This is very important value for our problem. And the given equation is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. So here the thing is, we can take common 2 from x term and y term, okay? X square plus 2xy plus y square plus taking 2 common, so it is x plus y minus 5 equals 0. Now homogenizing our equation, so what it will be, x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2 into x plus y into 1, x plus y into 1, and minus 5 into 1 square. Now substitute the value of 1, x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2 into x plus y into the value of 1 is y minus 3x minus 5 into y minus 3x whole square is equal to 0. X square plus 2x xy plus y square plus 2 into multiplication x into y, xy, x into minus 3x is minus 3x square plus y into y, y square minus 3xy minus 5 into a minus b whole square. So it is y square plus 3 3s are 9, 9x square minus 2 3s are 6, 6xy equals 0. Now multiplying 2 inside and minus 5 inside, so it is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2xy minus 2 3 is 6x square plus 2y square minus 2 3 is 6, 6xy minus 5y square plus into minus is minus 45x square minus into minus plus 30xy equals 0. Now simplifying the x square term, so it is minus 50x square, and for the xy term it will be minus 20, sorry, plus 28, plus 28xy, and for the y square term minus 2y square equals 0. Taking minus 2 common, so it is 25x square minus 14xy plus y square equal to 0. So our equation is 25x square minus 14xy plus y square equals 0. This equation can be compared by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. This is the general equation, general form of a pair of a straight line. Okay. So here the value of a is equal to 25, 2h is equal to minus 14. So 2 ones, 2 sevens. So h is equal to minus 7 and b is equal to 1. So in the question it is mentioned that find the angle between the lines. So if theta be the angle between lines, then cos theta is equal to mod a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So it is cos theta is equal to mod, value of a is 25, b is 1, 25 plus 1 by root of 25 minus 1 whole square plus 4 into minus 7 whole square. So this is equals to cos theta is equals to 26 by root 24 square plus 4 into 7 squares 49 is equal to 26 by root 24 squares is 576 plus 4 into 49 is 196. When we add up both, so it is 26 by root 772. This 772 can be written as 26 by 4 into 193. So it is cos theta is equal to 26 by root 4 value is 2. 2 root 193. So it is 2 ones and 2 threes. So it is cos theta is equal to 13 by root 193. That can be written as theta is equal to cos inverse 13 by root 193. Show that the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the curve. Okay. X square minus xy plus y square plus 3x plus 3y minus 2 equals 0, and the straight line is x minus y minus root 2 equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. So we have to show that these lines formed by this straight lines are mutually perpendicular. So point of intersection of the curve, so it is a homogenizing question. Given equation is x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x plus 3y minus 2 equals 0. Taking 3 common from the x and y term, y square plus 3 common, so it is x plus y minus 2 equals 0. And the given line is x minus y minus root 2 equals 0. Sending root 2 over there, so it is x minus y equals to root 2. Dividing the equation by root 2. So it is x minus y by root 2 is equal to root 2 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled, so it is 1. So the value of 1 will be x minus y by root 2 equals 1. So this is the value we are going to use. And now for the xy term into 1, and for the constant it's 1 square, right? Into 1 square. So it is x square minus xy plus y square plus 3 into x plus y into 1 minus 2 into 1 square equals 0. So it is x square minus xy plus y square plus 3 into x plus y into the 1 value. So it is x minus y by root 2 minus 2 into x minus y by root 2 whole square equal to 0. So it is x square minus xy plus y square plus 3 into a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. So it is x square minus y square by root 2 minus 2 into a minus b whole square. So it is x square plus y square minus 2xy by square and root gets cancelled. So it is 2 equal to 0. Here this two ones gets cancelled. So it is x square minus xy plus y square plus 3x square minus 3y square by root 2 minus x square plus y square minus 2xy equal to 0. Now multiplying this minus inside, so it is minus xy plus y square plus writing it with the separate denominator for both x square and y square. So it is 3x square by root 2 minus 3y square by root 2, and here it is minus x square minus y square, and it is plus 2xy equals 0. So here negative positive gets cancelled. So the term remaining is 3x square by root 2 minus 3y square by root 2, and here it is minus xy plus 2xy is plus xy equal to root 2, right? So we have to prove that the lines are perpendicular. In order to get the perpendicular, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. So this will be 3 by root 2 minus 3 by root 2. So it is 0. Therefore, the lines are perpendicular, mutually perpendicular to each other.